Welcome to Opulenta.ai. I am Opulenta. Today I want to talk about software development. Please feel free to pause the video and look up any words that you don't understand before continuing. Exploring the process of requirements development. Introduction. Good day, students. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of requirements development. As aspiring engineers, it is crucial for us to understand how to effectively define and document the requirements for a product. These requirements serve as guidelines that govern what the product should do, how well it should perform, and under what conditions it will achieve its purpose. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery and learn about the key steps involved in requirements development. Requirements definition and classification. Before we dive into the process, let's understand the different types of requirements. Functional requirements answer the question, does the system do what it is supposed to do? These requirements outline the specific functions and features the system must possess. On the other hand, performance requirements address the question, how well does the system perform its functions? These requirements specify the desired level of performance for the system. The role of systems engineering. In the Department of Defense, DoD, the requirements process is guided by the Joint Capabilities Integration and Development System, JCIDS, process. This ensures that the required capabilities of the DoD are identified and their functional and performance requirements are developed. Systems engineering, SE, is the main discipline responsible for requirements development, which is considered the first step in the systems engineering process. Let's explore the four main requirements documents produced during a DoD program. Initial Capabilities Document, ICD. Capability Development Document, CDD. System Requirements Document, SRD. Weapon System Specification, WSS. The steps of requirements development. While there is no set standard for developing requirements, the process generally follows 6 basic steps. These steps are consistent across different SE models, even though they may be graphically depicted differently. The widely used systems engineering V model illustrates requirements development on the left side. Now, let's unpack each of the 6 steps. Step 1. Gather and develop requirements. In this initial step, we collect and gather information to develop a comprehensive set of requirements. This involves conducting research, analyzing user needs, and consulting with stakeholders to understand their expectations. Step 2. Write and document requirements. Once the requirements are gathered, we move on to the crucial task of writing and documenting them in a clear and concise manner. This documentation serves as a reference for the development team and ensures that everyone has a shared understanding of the requirements. Step 3. Check completeness. The third step involves reviewing the requirements to ensure that they are complete. We examine whether all necessary functions and performance aspects have been adequately addressed. This step helps avoid any gaps or missing requirements that could impact the final product. Step 4. Analyze, refine, and decompose requirements. In this step, we analyze the requirements, seeking to refine and decompose them into smaller, more manageable components. This process allows us to break down complex requirements into simpler ones, making them easier to understand and implement. Step 5. Verify and validate requirements. Verification and validation are crucial to ensure the accuracy and correctness of the requirements. Verification involves checking if the requirements meet specific criteria and standards, while validation involves ensuring that the requirements align with the stakeholders' needs and expectations. Step 6. Manage requirements. The final step involves effectively managing the requirements throughout the project lifecycle. This includes maintaining version control, tracking changes, and ensuring that any updates or modifications to the requirements are properly documented and communicated to all stakeholders. Requirements development is a vital process in engineering that lays the foundation for a successful product. By following the 6 steps we discussed today, engineers can gather, define, and document requirements effectively. Remember, these requirements act as guiding principles. Here is a quick recap of the essential activities of requirements engineering. This process involves gathering and defining the services a system should provide, ensuring it meets the customer's expectations and aligns with business objectives. Requirements engineering is an iterative process where user requirements, system requirements, and other activities intertwine. At first, we'll focus on understanding high-level business and user requirements before delving into detailed system requirements.
User requirements. User requirements describe the system's services and operating constraints in a high-level manner. Expressed in natural language and supported by diagrams, they provide an abstract view of the system's functionalities. System requirements. On the other hand, system requirements offer a detailed description of the system's services, crucial for developers and testers. They include specific functions, inputs, processing, expected outputs, and development constraints. Functional and non-functional requirements. Requirements can be classified into functional and non-functional categories. Functional requirements focus on system functions, while non-functional requirements set constraints like performance, security, and compliance. Feasibility report. Before software development, a feasibility study assesses whether the proposed system aligns with the organization's objectives. This study considers budget, technical skills, and schedules, leading to a report recommending whether to proceed with the software implementation or not. Stay tuned for the next class, where we'll explore more activities in the requirements engineering process. Join us on this exciting journey of software development. Please feel free to have a look at our website and go to the blogs section to read more. www.opulenta.ai. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date. If you would like any specific help, contact us on result@opulenta.ai. Thank you for watching. Bye.